Can you hear me now? I'm pretty sure that you notice the swagger in my walk. Just pay attention and focus. Yeah. And baby, you just gotta play your part. I'm thinking you can get this treasure, but you gotta dig deeper down, down, down. Come on now, 'cause I can hear you. I'm getting closer, getting closer. Can you hear me now? Well, I'm not than you're supposed to.
Mayday! Mayday! I need you to turn this thing up! Turn this thing up! And make noise! Let's go! What we about to do right now is I'm trying to get bread, offering crumbs. Like y'all ain't trying to see meth licking his thumb while he's sorting this one shit. How many equal opportunity ass kick on these ass looking brown, nosing around with his ass kissing. See that cash quicker than a triple glass, flipping the glass, nigga till he passed out. I'm that nigga. Mommy got